Hello guys. I spared you all the emotion of riding the surface dirt road to get here. This is Thunder Mountain. I just got on the trail here, just very short order ago. So it's about 6:30. Gets dark in 2.5 hours, I guess. This is probably one of the most traveled mountain bike trails. And horseback, there's horses on here too. I do need to do some chapstick. And I do have to take a piss. Now we're staying here at a place where you can camp for free. And it's okay. I've got a nice shade spot. But it's kind of openish, so your neighbors can see everything you do. So I wasn't able to change into my bicycle shorts. I said, fuck it, I'll just wear my normal cool shorts. That's what they're called, K-U-H-L. They make a hell of a cargo short, ambush cargo shorts. So we got that, we got the key, we got our spare battery. I was gonna take my Juggernaut XD Duo, my first electric bike, but the back tire is pretty worn down, and I said, you know what, I don't think we should do that. But at least, you know, at least I would add an inner tube for that bike. This one I do not. Okay, this is one of the prettiest trails you'll ever fucking traverse, guys. I think I see a window for me to take care of my official particulars. GoPro, stop recording.